In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request payment from Expensify card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up where your reimbursement should go, create the expense, and submit it so the funds land in your account once approved. Start by signing in to your Expensify account on the web at expensify.com. Using the web app makes the setup and reporting process clearer, and it's where you'll find all the settings we need. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace or personal account that your company uses for expenses. Next, connect the account where you want to receive the funds. In Expensify, open Settings, then Account. If you prefer to be paid via PayPal or Venmo, go to Payments and choose Alternative Payment Accounts to add those details. If you want a direct bank transfer, go to Wallet and then Bank Accounts to add your checking account for ACH. Follow the prompts carefully. Depending on your bank, Expensify may ask for instant verification through your banking login or a quick verification process. Use an account that's in your name and that you actively monitor so you don't miss any confirmations. Now create the expense that represents what you need to be reimbursed for. You can add it manually by entering the merchant, date, amount, category, and a short description so your approver understands what it's for. If you have a receipt, upload it so the details can be read and attached to the expense. Keep everything accurate and consistent with your company's expense policy, including currency, project, or department tags if required, and any memo your approver expects to see. Add that expense to a report. If you already have an open report, place it there. Otherwise, create a new one and give it a clear title, like the month and purpose. Double-check that the report shows the correct policy, approver, and total. Review any warnings or violations and fix them before submitting. When everything looks good, submit the report for approval. Once your manager or admin approves the report, Expensify will send the reimbursement directly to the account you connected. Direct ACH deposits typically take about 4 to 5 business days to arrive, while alternative payment methods may vary slightly. You can track the status in the report's activity or in your account notifications. If timing is critical, submit early and keep receipts organized so approvals aren't delayed. That's it. Log in, connect where you want to be paid, create the expense, add it to a report, submit, and then watch for the approved reimbursement to land in your account.